Hello friends, today we will discuss about an advanced writing skill, that is drafting a notice. This is the copy of my blog. You can get all these notes from my blog. You can also download the PPT from the given link. Notice is an announcement by some authority which is intended to produce some information, supply some information to some targeted people. It is usually displayed publicly as on a school or college notice board or somewhere in the notice board of the organization. The specific features of a notice are some 5 specific features are mentioned here. It is written to inform a large number of people, at least more than one. Number 2, notice could be about a forthcoming event, competition, or lost and found, etc. Notice is written generally in a formal language. You cannot use informal language here. Language used must be to the point. It should be simple and formal. It should be in complete sentences or even in the form of a short para. So these are the main features of notice writing. Concerning your CBSE pattern and the CBSE answer keys of last 4 to 5 years, we are to strictly follow a pattern, a format, so that we may draft good kind of notices. I am presenting before you the sample draft. Then we will discuss some question and answers. We will try to draft some notices. Then we will discuss the examples. So let us have a look at the format. In format, there are 6 formative parts. Number 1, name of the organization. Suppose we are drafting a notice for our school notice board, then name of the organization will be our school name and its address. Then we will write the word notice below it. In the next line, date of issue. Then comes small caption, or you can say the title of the notice. Title. Then comes the body or content, name of the issuing authority, and lastly the designation of the person who is issuing this notice. Lastly, after preparing the notice, you are supposed to put this answer in a box. Suppose you are writing a notice and you forgot to put it into a box, you will not be penalized. This is as per CBSE norms, as per CBSE guidelines mentioned in the answer keys, that the candidates will not be penalized if he or she has used capital letters for writing a notice within or without a box. Avoid any repetition of ideas. We should be careful about the repetition of ideas. It should be completely avoided. Avoid presenting imagined facts. Use the facts given in the question already. You should not imagine the facts at your own. Try to copy the facts which are given in the question paper. Then one more thing we are to learn here, that the purpose of the notice is to simply supply the information or make the announcement. So it should be crisp, clear, short, to the point, and pithy. We should not go beyond the details. Just you are to make an announcement. This is the ultimate purpose of the issue of some notice. So as per the above 6 points, this format is appropriate as per CBSE answer keys. Here in the center, you are to mention the name of the institute, company or organization. Then you are to mention the address with the name of the city where this organization, company or institution is situated. Then you are to write this word here, notice. Then date comes on the left side. You need not to mention this word date. Instead of that, you are to mention here the particular date, like today's date, suppose 27th of April 2020, like this. You should not mention the word date. Instead of this, you are to mention the date in particular. Then comes the title, maximum 3 to 4 words, not more than that. Then comes the content section. Some important things we will discuss about this content section. Here, to discuss the format only, we are taking up to this limit only, that it should be only in 50 words as per CBSE answer key. Below that, you are to write here the word signature, means here the person will signature. Person, the name of the authority, name of the person will be mentioned below this. Then you are to mention the designation also. Designation means his post, his authority. So this is the format. Now come to the marking scheme. This is very important because we are to score 4 marks. The question will be of 4 marks. What is the division of the marks? We should be crystal clear about that. The format is of 1 mark, including all 6 parts of the notice. For those all 6 parts, 1 mark will be given. For content section, 2 marks, and for expression, 1 mark. Expression means grammar. Whenever you are writing something, your expression means that you are writing in accurate grammatical sentences. Then the important things for content, let us discuss. The word limit for writing a notice is 50 words as is prescribed by the CBSE. 50 words means 4 to 5 lines are only sufficient. 4 to 5 lines, not more than this. What about the language? The language should be simple language, simple sentences. Use of passive voice. You should not draft the sentences in active voice, that our school is going to celebrate the annual day. No, you have to write in passive voice. Annual day will be celebrated in our school. Some examples are given below. The meeting will be held. The flower show is arranged. All are cordially invited. The name should be submitted. The competition will be held. Those who are interested, means every sentence should be in passive voice. Try to avoid active voice. Then sentences beginning with subjects like this, it, etc. This is to inform all the students that it has been decided to go to Shimla. It has come to the notice of the undersigned. Undersigned has come to the notice. No, This is in active voice. You should write it in passive voice. It has come to the notice of the undersigned. Do not put your own signature or name at the end. You are not to sign this letter. Just write signature. Notice is just like a mini letter. You are not to sign here, but you are to write here the word signature, and below that you are to write the name as is given in the question paper. If the name is not mentioned there, you can write there XYZ. Then the most important thing about the content section is that we are to tell everything about the event, about the competition, about the announcement, or about the thing we had lost. So what could be the details? I have tried to summarize through the use of W's. How many W's are there? First W, what is to happen and by whom it is to be organized. Means suppose your school is going to celebrate its annual day. So what is to happen? The annual day. Whom? By whom? Your school. Mention the event in detail and the details of the host. Next W is you are to tell the date and time. When it is to happen. Next comes where it is to happen, the place, venue. One more is how is it going to be done? Who can participate? Suppose the annual day is going to happen in your school, so there will be a culture program, and in that culture program, what kind of programs will be there? You are to mention here, or how to get the tickets on payment or it is free, which class is to participate, what number of programs will be there, name of the chief guest, etc. You are to mention here. Who will be the chief guest? If you are organizing some cultural event, co-curricular activity in your school, you should write the name of some chief guest. Mention the name of the chief guest of the dignitary who will preside over the ceremony, who will give away the prizes also. So this is all about how to write a good notice. Other than this, I should also mention here that if you are writing a notice about the things you have lost, you should mention that what you have lost, where you have lost, the details of the thing you have lost, and what kind of prize or reward will be given to the person who will return it to you should be mentioned clearly in the lost and found notice. So now we are taking some examples. One or two examples will be solved by me in the video, and the next examples will be available on my blog. You can go there, you can check out your answers. This is the first example. Your school is going a feat to collect funds for charity. Only school students are eligible to put up stalls as Samay or Somya. Samay for boys and Somya for girls. Head boy or head girl of Meera International School, Dehradun. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up announcing sale of stalls, giving all other necessary details. Now the facts given in the question are very important, and the rest of the details you are to invent at your own. So let us discuss the answer. This is the sample answer I have prepared for you. You can also draft in a more better way, but this is the sample one. First, we will mention here the name of the organization that is given in the question, Mira International School, Dehradun. Its address is also given. Notice word. Then here the date of its issue. Then comes the title, sale of stalls for the FITE. Now comes the content. So what should be in the content? The W's. It is to inform all the students, or you can also write the sentence like this, that all the students are informed that our school is organizing a FITE to collect funds for charity. It will be held on 1st of May. Date. This is the first point, first W, that our school means this school. The school is organizing a FITE to collect funds for the charity, first W. Then comes the second is when, on the 1st of May. Timing, date and time is also given, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. There will be stalls for fast food, sweet, ice cream, fun games and decoration items. Only school students are eligible to put up the stalls. The stalls will be sold to the highest bidders. Those who are interested should come to the school hall during the recess period on 29th of this month. 29th of this month means 29th of April, on which date the program will be on 1st. So such kind of details you have to mention in 4 to 5 lines. Below this you are to write here the word ST, signatured, or you can write the full word signature. Then the name of the person who is writing this notice, that is given in the question, Samay, head boy. Now take one more example. This is the second example. Art club of your school is going to organize a drawing and painting competition. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be displayed on the school notice board, inviting students to participate in it. Give all the necessary details. You are Rishabh, Ridhima, Secretary, Arts Club, Sunrise Public School, Gurugram, Haryana. This question has appeared in CBSE 2019. And in the marking scheme, such hints were given for the evaluators, for the copy checking duty teachers, that they had to check the copies as per these hints. The hints are heading, drawing and painting competition, or any other relevant title. The value points suggested by CBSE were what, when, who, last date of submission, who, art club, where, venue. So these were the hints. I have prepared a sample answer. You can draft it at your own also. Sunrise Public School, Gurugram, Haryana. Please do not use any other pen other than blue. I have used these colors just to show you that this is the name of the organization, this is the word notice, and this and that, but you are supposed to write the whole notice in only blue ink. So this is the name of the organization, the word notice, then the date is there, then comes drawing and painting competition, then comes the content section. It is informed to all the students that the art club of our school is going to organize a drawing and painting competition. Means what? What? The art and drawing competition by the art club of your school. When? 10 a.m. on 30th April 2020 in school auditorium. Where? Where is also. So first W, second W and third W. The topic of this activity will be environmental issues. Interested candidates may submit their names to the undersigned before 20th of April 2020 in school hours. Participants will have to bring their own artboard, colors, brush, etc. as per their needs. Below this content you are to write this word signature and then the name given in the question paper. The name given is, here you should not write the current Kumar, you should write here Rishabh. Here you should write the name Rishabh. Below that, secretary. So this could be the sample answer, and there will not be a chance for the evaluator to deduct your marks, and he will have to award you full 4 marks for such answer. Now there is a homework for you people. Try to answer these questions, try to prepare the answers for these questions that have appeared in CBSE. You can check the answers by visiting my blog. Sample answers are readily available there. So this is the first question for your practice. You are Kumar Ankita, Secretary, West End Corporation Group Housing Society, Vasundhara. Write a notice in not more than 50 words requesting the members to attend a meeting of the society to discuss the problem of irregular supply of drinking water to the residents. This question has also appeared in CBSE 2019 in some other set of question paper. Next question is, as principal of Sardar Patel Vidyalaya, Lucknow, draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing students of the change in school timing with effect from 1st of May. State valid reasons for change. You have to mention the reasons for change of school timing also. The question appeared in CBSE 2019 outside Delhi. Third question for practice is, water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 6th of March for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar, Secretary, Janata Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Kurnool. The question appeared in CBSE outside Delhi 2016. You are to prepare the answers for these 3 questions. So this is the last question for your practice. Fourth question. The question appeared in CBSE 2013 set 1. You are Smita Sunil, Secretary, AVM Housing Society. You are going to organize a blood donation camp. Write a notice in not more than, this is in in not more than 50 words, urging the members of your society to come in large numbers for this noble cause. Invent all necessary details. So these are the 4 questions in all for your practice. I hope that you will draft the notices in your notebooks. You can also check the answers at my blog. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.